Hey guys, T here. So, in the last video, we'll talk about the queries and scrapping Google results. Today, I'll show you the missing layer, like how to control Google using search operators. This is how you can scrap exact data from exact website. So, if you don't control Google, Google controls your results. Search operators turn Google into database. Before we get into this video, if you are new here, I'm Deepika, GTM expert, and in this channel, you can learn everything about the GTM strategies and all the stuffs that can build your life. So without wasting time, let's get into it. Why operator matter in GTM? In the normal search, it will be like noisy, broad and SEO optimized junk. But the operator search looks like a precise, filtered and intent driven. In GTM, precision beats volume. Let's start with the most important operator, that is site. So site tells Google's search only inside this website. This basic format is like site colon example.com, like site column which website you want to target particularly. Let's see about the use cases of this particular operator. Number 1, scrap leads from marketplaces and directories. Like example structure looks like site colon clutch.io, in a quotes it's a SaaS. Now you are pulling companies listed on Clutch, only SaaS related pages. And number 2, extract companies running ads or services. Example structure looks like site colon linkedin.com/company, in a quotes it's a software. It's used to identify companies, enrich GTM list. And number 3, target competitor customer. Example structure looks like site colon competitors website, in a quotes it's a case study. This shows customers, industries and their logos. The second most important search operator is like double quotes. Double quotes force exact intent. Like in a double quotes, you will ask about higher lead generation agency. Google obeys what you search particularly. So without quotes, it means Google just guesses. But with quotes, Google obeys. This is the critical when scrapping. So let's talk about combining this site and quotes. This is the power move we can do this. This is where it becomes GTM grade. So example structure looks like site colon clutch.io, in a double quotes the lead generation agency. Now you are inside one trusted source and pulling only buying intent listing. And the another example like site colon shopify.com, and in the double quotes it's a case study. It's used to find brands, revenue stories and potential leads. So let's talk about other must know operators. Number 1, R. When you search in a double quotes like marketing agency or growth agency, it expands the reach safely. Number 2, and if you search like CRM and pricing, it stacks the intent. Number 3, minus. If you want to remove any particular pages or a post, you can use this operator. Like example looks like lead generation agency minus jobs minus careers. It removes job pages and hiring posts. Number 4, in title. It used to find a company showcasing success and the mature bias. Example looks like in title colon in double quotes is a case study. Number 5, in URL. In URL colon pricing is an example structure and it shows commercial pages and decision stage companies. So let's start about query construction formula. Here is the exact formula we are using in our agency. Example formula looks like site colon source plus exact intent plus modifier. It comes like site colon clutch.io, in a double quotes it's a B2B software and modifier is a marketing. This is not searching, this is filtering a database. The common mistakes people do when they are searching using query is like searching without quotes, not logging to a site, scrapping blocks instead of directories, treating Google like a SEO. Google is a tool, operators are the controls. If you know operators, you don't need expansive databases, you already have Google. And if you want my exact operator cheat sheet, pre-built query string and how we plug this into your GTM workflow, comment operators and follow me on other channels too like LinkedIn and Instagram pages. See you in the next one. Bye.